thought I'd show you a really simple science experiment that you can do at home involving light. All you'll need are a few simple things. You'll need a jug and in it some water. You're going to need a glass, ideally a nice straight glass. And you're going to need some pens, felt tips and a piece of paper. So we're using light, and light is a wave, and when it travels at a set speed, and it travels really fast. Now when light enters a different substance, so when it passes from being in the air to in the water, what happens to the light is it bends, and that bending of light is called refraction. So a nice science keyword there for you. And I thought I'd show you a cool trick that you can do because light bends. So you just need a piece of paper, and what I find works really well is if I just fold the piece of paper in half and fold it again. So I find that works best. I do that because then it'll stand up quite easily. So what you need to do is draw yourself a little picture on there. So I'm going to draw picture of a face. So he's going to have a nice big smile. He's going to have an eye, and also as well, do you know what? I'm going to do him with a love heart for another eye as well, so a bit of an emoji. So got a nice little picture there. And what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to place it standing up. Sometimes you need to lean it on something, so sometimes put something behind it. So I'm going to place it standing up behind. Ooh, see, it's not doing it. Ooh, I'm going to place it standing up. There we go. Behind a glass. And you would do this normally so you can see it yourself and you can look at it. Now I'm setting it upside on so you can see the setup. Okay, so it's set up nicely. And what you would do normally is you'd look at it and you'd be able to watch as you pour your water through it, and you should see something very impressive. What you should actually see is, because of the refraction, you should actually see that the love heart on it changes sides. Do something different. I've done it in the past with fish, where I've done one fish facing one way and one fish facing the other, and they change direction. Now again, that makes it sound like it's really fancy. You don't have to be amazing at drawing, obviously. You know, I'm not particularly good at drawing, but just do my best. So I'm going to draw myself a fish, and you could do it with a fish. Anything where you can clearly see that something has changed direction. So I'm going to do one fish facing one way and one fish facing the other. And you can just experiment with these, just have a go at different pictures. It doesn't really matter what you do. I'm going to draw a little eye on them both. So there we go. There's my fish, and that could be one that I would try again, exactly the same thing. You get your glass, stand it behind your glass. Oof, don't know whether it's working that or not. And you just pour it on, and hopefully you will see a bit of a change. There we go. So that's refraction. Give it a bit of a go. And I'd love to see what you do. See you all soon. Bye.